Yes, students. Let's start with revision. The question is write in expanded form. To write anything in expanded form, first of all, you will mention the places. Okay? This is decimal. On the left hand side, you will write down the places according to Indian system. And on the right hand side, you will use the decimal system. Okay? So this is 1000. 4 along with 1000. So in 1000 we have 3 zeros, no? So along with 4 you will write 1, 2, 3, then plus. Then what is the place of 3? The place of 3 is 100. In 100 we have how many zeros? 2 zeros. So this is 300. Then this is 3. The place of this 3 is tens. In 10 we have how many zero? 1. So this is 30 plus 4 single. Because the place of 4 is ones. After that, on the right hand side you will use the decimal system. This is the first decimal place. So you will write 3 by 10. Okay. This is the second decimal place. So you will write 3 by 100. Okay. And this is the third decimal place. So you will write 4 by 1000. So like this, you will write anything in expanded form. Any number, any decimal number. Okay. This is the method to write any decimal number in expanded form. On the left hand side of decimal, you will use the Indian system of numeration. And on the right hand side, you will use the decimal system of numeration. So students, write down. Quickly write down. Yes. All of you write down. After that, I will explain next part. Okay. So after writing, write down in the chat box. After that, I will start next concept. Yes. Class is here, beta, not outside. Why are you looking outside? Done? Okay. Yes, students, write down in the chat box. You have done with this? Yes, good, Kinjal. Now, write down next. Good, Natanj. Now, the next concept is like or unlike decimals. Okay? Like or unlike decimals. Now tell me, what do you understand by the term like or unlike decimals? Yes, students, if you want to reply, raise your hand. What do you understand by the term like or unlike decimals? Yes. Divya, unmute yourself. Yes. Divya, unmute yourself. Yes,
Good
Divya.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Divya, tell me, what do you understand by like or unlike decimals?
Ma'am, like decimals are the decimals in which decimal places are same, and in
Decimal.
unlike decimals, the decimal places are not.
Give me one
For
example.
example,
Yes.
like decimals, for example, 0.43,
Yes.
1.52.
1.52.
Unlike decimals,
1.
example 0.
Divya, are you correct? 1.52. You are saying 1.52. This is 1.52. Anyone?
1.52.
Stand up.
1.52.
Stand up, beta. You. Yes. This is 1.52. Yes. Yes. After decimal on the right hand side of decimal, you will not use a Indian system. If you are saying this is 52, it means you are using Indian system. But on the right hand side of decimal here, on this side, हमने Indian system use ही नहीं करना. How can you say this is 52? This is 1.52. So what is the name? The name is 1.52. Okay? So आपको डेसिमल आने से पहले ये क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए. What is the meaning of 1.52 and what is the meaning of 1.52? Okay? Now next. Like or unlike? Like decimal fractions are those fractions in which we have equal number of decimal places. Like doesn't mean कि both are like means 4.5 or 4.5. इसको नहीं like कहते. Like means like is based on the concept of same decimal places. Okay? Maybe the numbers are different. Number different हो सकते हैं. So this is 4.5, 3.6. Okay? 4.5 and 3.6 both are different, but both are like. What is the reason? The reason is decimal के बाद 1 decimal place, decimal के बाद 1 decimal place. Okay? So the concept of like decimal fractions, okay, is based on counting of decimal places. ऐसे नहीं आपने बोलना भी मैम और ये दोनों अनलाइक है और ये लाइक है, ये लाइक है. नो, लाइक का मतलब ये नहीं है. लाइक का क्या मतलब है? सेम डेसिमल प्लेसेस. इन काउंटिंग द डेसिमल प्लेसेस आर इक्वल. ओके? नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 1.5 to 1.7. Okay? Now tell me, these two, yes, these two decimal numbers are like or unlike? Yes. What is the reason? Stand up. Very good. After decimal, you will say decimal places. आपने ये नहीं कहना one number. You will say decimal places. Okay? This is decimal. कितने decimal places हैं? 2 decimal places. Okay? So here you have 2 decimal places and here you have 1 decimal place. Okay? 1 decimal place. It means both are unlike. Both are unlike. Okay? Clear? Clear, students? What is the difference between like decimal fractions or unlike decimal fractions? The knowledge of like or unlike decimal is very important during addition or during subtraction. Without like decimals, you are not able to solve addition or subtraction. Fine? Sit down. Now, the next is, my next concept is 4.1 and 4.76. Okay? Yes, stand up, beta. Tell me, these two are like or unlike? Unlike. What is the reason? Your answer is correct. These two are unlike. But give me the explanation. Why these two are unlike? Very good. क्या 2 है क्या 1 है? Decimal places. यहाँ पे डेसिमल प्लेसेस कितनी है 2 and here we have 1 decimal place, so both are unlike but we can make these two numbers like. हम इनको like कर सकते हैं. How? Yes, by putting 0 1. Yes, after 1 put 0 here. Now check the counting after the decimal 1 2. Check the counting after the decimal 1 2. So if unlike decimals are given to you, then you can change unlike decimal to like decimals by putting 0 in the end. Okay, हमने देखो यहाँ पे 0 लगा दिया. अब काउंटिंग करो 1 2. ओके, यहाँ पे काउंटिंग करो 1 2. काउंटिंग इज ओके ना. सो लाइक दिस वी विल सॉल्व द सम. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. माय नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज 42 is given or any other number 3 is given or any other number 100 is given. Okay, here 42 is given, 3 is given, 100 is given. आपको यहाँ पे कोई डेसिमल दिख रहा है? Now students write down in the chat box any decimal present in these three numbers. Yes, write down in the chat box. Any decimal is present here? Very good, Kavya. No. Okay, no decimal here. आपको यहाँ पे कोई डेसिमल दिख रहा है? No. Very good, Mehak. Very good, Divya. Yes. No. But we can change these numbers to. But we can change these numbers to decimal. How? Look here. Put decimal on the right hand side. Now put decimal on the right hand side and write 0 here. Okay, like this. Yes, students, pay attention. Okay, similarly this is 3, no decimal, but we can change this 3 to decimal. How? यहाँ पे आपने डेसिमल लगाना है और यहाँ पे आपने क्या लिख देना है 0. Similarly 100, no decimal, but we can change this to decimal. How? This is 100 decimal and this is 0. So like this we will change number to decimal number. आपने बेटा जब भी कोई डेसिमल लगाना है किस साइड पे लगाना है? राइट हैंड साइड. स्टैंड अप. क्या बोला बेटा मैंने अभी? अभी मैंने क्या बोला बेटा? अभी 1 मिनट मैंने एक मैंने वर्डिंग बोल ली है. टेल मी. यस. यस, गुड. जब भी हमने कोई डेसिमल ऐसे ही रहना है, ठीक है. नाउ व्हेनेवर हमने कोई डेसिमल पुट करना है, व्हेनेवर यू विल पुट डेसिमल, व्हेनेवर always put decimal on the right hand side. Okay, so you will not put decimal here like this. This is 42. आपने ये नहीं करना भी यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा देना है. This is wrong. Whenever you will put decimal, always put decimal on the right hand side. Whenever you will write 0, always write 0 on the right hand side. Fine. Sit down and look here. Next is my next question is convert into fraction. Convert into fraction. Fine. This is a question. Convert into fraction. And the question is 3.2. This is question 3.2. And the question is convert into fraction. This is decimal number. The question is to change this to fraction. Okay. Now students, tell me. Pratigya, unmute yourself. Yes. Pratigya, unmute yourself. Pratigya, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, how can you change
And
this?
the answer is Ma'am, first we will write. Ma'am, first we will remove the decimal.
Now, Pratigya, listen to me very, very carefully. The answer is, Pratigya, tell me, beta, the answer is, मैंने आपको हमेशा मैथ्स में क्या बोला है? आंसर होता है. The solution is. You will not say the answer is. ये wrong wording है मैथ्स में. You will say yeah, and in the end वो result होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? जो end में मिलेगा हमें वो क्या होगा? Result. और आप हमेशा क्या बोलोगे? The solution is. And we are going to solve this.
Okay, ma'am.
नहीं बोलना हम इसका आंसर निकालने लगे. No. Okay? Now check. Here you have one decimal place. So whenever you will remove the decimal, one decimal place means
Yes,
you
ma'am.
write 10 in the denominator. Okay? So this is 32
Denominator.
by 10. Now the next step, which is very important. Now the next step is very important. Do the cancellation also if the cancellation is possible. According to you, tell me these two numbers, 32 or this 10, divisible by any common number? Yes, last girl. Very good. Yes, students, write down in the chat box. 32 as well as 10. Very good, Kinjal. Both are divisible by 2. Okay? Both are divisible by 2. It means, now divide this 32 by 2. Divide this 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Yes, 2 6 are 12. Okay? So this is 16. Cancellation in the table of 2. This is 16 and this is 5. So 16 over 5. The result is 16 over 5. बिल्कुल 100% cancellation is compulsory. Last time हमने आपके बेटा मार्क्स कट नहीं किए थे, but this time we will not give you marks. क्योंकि हम ये लास्ट टाइम से बताते आ रहे हैं, डू द कैंसलेशन. नाउ द रिजल्ट इज नॉट 16 by 5. दिस इज नॉट द फाइनल रिजल्ट. एज न्यूमरेटर इज बिगर, so you have to convert this to mixed fraction. Keep in your mind, note down in your notebook. Whenever numerator is bigger, write down. Keep in your mind and write down. When numerator is bigger, then you have to convert fraction to mixed fraction. I am repeating one more time. When numerator is bigger, then you have to convert fraction to mixed fraction. Very much compulsory to change this to mixed fraction as 16 is bigger. Okay? So this is 16, 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now tell me, how can we change this to mixed fraction? How can we change this to mixed fraction? Yes, students, raise your hand. How can we change? Shivain, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivain. Tell me, how can we change this to mixed fraction?
Ma'am, first we will divide.
Divide done. Division done. Look here, division done. Tell me, what is the next?
Ma'am, we will apply 3.1 is the answer.
3 like this.
0.1.
Yes, like this. Okay. Now listen to me very very carefully. Interchange the positions. मैंने सभी की पोजीशन इंटरचेंज की. लुक हियर, 1 नीचे था, 1 को हमने कहाँ लिखा? सबसे ऊपर. 3 ऊपर था, 3 को हमने साइड पे ले गए यहाँ पे. इंटरचेंज द पोजीशन लाइक दिस. कीप इन योर माइंड, इंटरचेंज द पोजीशंस लाइक दिस. ऐसे 1 गया अपर, 3 आया साइड में, 5 कहाँ आया? नीचे. एंड दिस इज 3 होल 1/5. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे इसको बोलते कैसे हैं, इसको कैसे बोलोगे? इसको बोलोगे 3 होल 1/5, नॉट 3 1/5. स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे ही बोल देते हैं 3 1/5. क्या 3 1/5? 3 होल 1/5. Because in the table of 5, 5 3s are 15. Complete number. Complete number means whole means पूरा नंबर. होल का क्या मतलब होता है? पूरा नंबर. ये पूरा है नंबर, बिल्कुल कंप्लीट है 3. तो दिस इज 3 होल 1/5. Write down. Note down this sum. Students, note down. I am going to take your attendance. Yes. Yes. हाँ जी, क्या बोल रहे हो? मुझे whenever numerator is bigger, then you have to change fraction to mixed fraction. So next is one more sum based on this. Second sum based on this, 71.002. This is the question. 71.002. Now students, tell me, how can we change this to fraction? This is decimal number. Myra, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, first we will remove the decimal.
Very good. First of all, we will remove the decimal. So whenever you will remove the decimal in the...
Ma'am,
you will write what?
Ma'am, we will write 71002. And then we will see how many digits were there in the last.
Yes.
Ma'am, as there are 3 digits, so we will write 1000. Ma'am, 10,000.
And you will
3 zeros.
Yes. Or Myra, you
One.
will not say digits. I am
Ma'am,
repeating again and again. These are decimal places. इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Decimal places.
Okay,
On the right hand
Decimal
side,
places.
don't say digits. I am repeating again and again. These are decimal places. इनको decimal places बोलते हैं. Okay? So count 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 decimal places. After, on the right hand side of decimal, count 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. It means 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Like this. Okay. Now, what is the next step?
Ma'am,
What is the next step? Mehak, unmute yourself.
ma'am, we will divide it with 2 because it is a multiple of 2.
Very good. You have already done divisibility test now. As the ones place is 2 and ones place is 0, then the number is divisible by 2. So divide this by 2. Start your division. Divide
Ma'am,
this
I have
by
done
2.
division.
Yes.
Ma'am, 3, 5, 5, 0, 1 over 5,000.
Yes. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. Again 2 5s are 10. Okay. This is 0 by 0. This is 0. ये क्या है? 0 की डिवीजन किससे होगी? 0 से. So you will write 0 here. Then 2. 2 ones are 2. Like this. Okay. So you will write 35501 divided by 2 के टेबल में इसकी कैंसलेशन कहां पे होगी? टेल मी. ये ऑरली हो जाएगा. 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Very
2 5
good.
is 10.
Yes, very good. This is 500. Okay. And this is very much compulsory. बेटा स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं? ये 0 को छोड़ देते हैं. ये 0 नहीं आपने लीव करना. During division, यहाँ पे 0 है. The division of 0 is by 0. The division of 0 is by 0. So you will write 0 here also. Fine. Very good. Now finish. Finish. Students, write down in the chat box. Yes. ये खत्म हो गया सम. As the numerator is bigger, so you have to convert this to mixed fraction. Yes. Now 500. 7s are 3500. Okay. 1s are 500. So this is, now tell me how can we write? मैंने आपको मेथड बताया है. How can we write? Stand up. How can we write this to mixed fraction? मैंने अभी आपको मेथड बताया कैसे हम इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते हैं. मैंने क्या आपको बोला? इंटरचेंज करो पोजीशंस. 1 upper, 71 side, 500 down. इंटरचेंज द पोजीशन. जो नीचे है उसको ऊपर शिफ्ट करो, जो ऊपर है उसको साइड पे शिफ्ट करो, जो साइड पे है उसको फिर से नीचे शिफ्ट करो. इन दिस डायरेक्शन, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ऐसे क्लॉक आपकी ऐसे तो नहीं चलती ना, क्लॉक ऐसे चलती है ना, ये उल्टा चल रहा है क्लॉक से, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो दिस इज 1 ऊपर, 71 साइड पे, 500 नीचे. सो दिस इज 71 होल 1 by 500. 71 whole 1 by 500. Okay. So like this, you will change decimal number to fraction. First of all, count the digit ke count the decimal places. Count the decimal places. Okay. So and decimal places कौन सी side पे है? Decimal के left में या decimal के right में? Very good. This side. On this side, here this is 71 according to Indian system, and this is according to decimal system, decimal places. So we have 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. It means we will write 1000 here. Do the cancellation. During cancellation, you have to show division in pair. मैंने इसकी division की थी ना 2 के टेबल से. And during division, don't skip 0. अगर कोई 0 है तो आपने 0 से multiplication करके 0 को quotient में भी लिखना है. Fine. This thing is clear. Now come to the next. My next question is add. Fine. 53, 47.6, 53.54. Now tell me, what is the first step if the question is based on add? Tell me. What is the first step if this question is based on add? Yes. First of all, we will change into. Yes, very good. Yes, Natansh, unmute yourself.
First we write given.
बेटा इसमें गिवन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सम है? द क्वेश्चन इज लाइक. द क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन लाइक. ऐड करना है. डायरेक्टली वी आर नॉट एबल टू ऐड because different decimal places. First of all, we will make them like. इसमें तो डेसिमल है ही नहीं. मैंने आपको बताया ना अभी, अगर किसी में डेसिमल नहीं होता तो कैसे डेसिमल हम अप्लाई करते हैं स्टैंड अप. इसमें डेसिमल है ही नहीं. किस साइड डेसिमल लगाऊं? 5 के इधर डेसिमल लगाऊं कि 3 के साइड? यस. So 53 decimal 00, 47 decimal 60, then 53 decimal 54. बेटा we